Water pollution refers to the contamination of water bodies such as rivers, lakes, oceans, and groundwater by harmful substances, making it unsuitable for various uses, including drinking, fishing, and irrigation. This contamination can occur through various sources, including industrial waste, agricultural runoff, sewage discharge, oil spills, and improper disposal of chemicals and trash.
There are two types of water pollution: point source pollution and non-point source pollution. Point source water pollution refers to the contamination of water bodies originating from specific, identifiable sources. These sources discharge pollutants directly into water bodies through distinct points such as pipes, drains, or channels. Non-point source water pollution refers to the diffuse contamination of water bodies that originates from multiple widespread sources, cumulative effects of various activities and land uses across a watershed or catchment area. Common sources of point source pollution: industrial wastewater, municipal sewage, power plants, mining operations, oil and gas facilities, agricultural activities, landfills and waste sites. Common sources of non-point source pollution: agricultural runoff, urban runoff, forestry practices, construction activities, mining activities, septic systems, land use changes. Differences between point source pollution and non-point source pollution show in the table based on four aspects.
Source of point source pollution comes from specific and identifiable sources, usually confined to a particular location. Source of non-point source pollution comes from diffuse sources across a wide area, making it challenging to pinpoint the exact origin. Point source pollution, relatively easier to control because the source can be identified and regulated directly. Non-point source pollution, more challenging to control due to the dispersed nature of the sources and requires broad management strategies.
Examples of point source pollution: industrial discharge from factories, wastewater effluent from sewage treatment plants, and oil spills from pipelines or tankers. Examples of non-point source pollution: agricultural runoff from fields, urban runoff from road streets, construction site erosion, and atmospheric deposition. Environmental impact from point source pollution tends to be more localized, but can have severe impacts on water bodies and ecosystems in the immediate vicinity of the source. Environmental impact from non-point source pollution can contribute to cumulative effects on water quality, soil health, and ecosystem health over large areas. End of this topic. Thank you for your attention.